we made it just in time, and we had to jump on the nearest carriage and then walk along several carriages to get to our one, but we made it. Very hot now. In Osaka station, going from the shinkansen to the subway on the Midosuji line. You can't use your JR pass here because it's a subway line, not a JR line, but you can use your Suica card. We just arrived in Osaka and we've come from the Shinkansen station to our local subway station in Shinsaibashi to find our hotel and check in. We've been lugging the suitcases up lots of stairs and already I could tell it's a lot busier here in Osaka than it was in Fukuoka. There's a lot more people on the subway trains, and it's also true what I heard about people standing on the other side of the escalator. Here in Osaka they stand on the right hand side like they do in London, and in the whole rest of Japan they stand on the left hand side. There's nothing telling you to do that, people just do. Osaka's special. We've just arrived at our hotel in Osaka, so I thought I'd show you around. It's the Hearton Hotel Shinsaibashi Nagahoridori. Now that last bit is important because there's another hotel called the Hearton Hotel Shinsaibashi. This is the Hearton Hotel Shinsaibashi Nagahoridori. I almost got them mixed up and took us to the wrong one, just like I did in Kyoto before, but I remembered just in time. Right, let's take a look around. Here's the entrance. There's a full-length mirror here. By the door there's a bit of space to hang up your clothes. There's this deodorant power, some Febreze. There's a stand for the suitcases, a shoehorn, and these I believe are slippers for the bathroom. It says they're free for guest use, please feel free to take them with you. Now, it's quite common in Japan to have slippers for the bathroom and slippers to just wear indoors, so I guess these are the ones to wear in the room. Plenty of slippers. This actually seems quite spacious compared to the hotel we were just staying in Fukuoka, which was an APA hotel. It's still not very big, but it seems like we've got a bit more room, so I think we'll be able to open up the suitcases and put them in the corridor here. And here's the main room. We've got a nice glittery zebra print cushion. Can you see the sparkle on that? Ooh. Over here there's a little ledge to put your stuff on in the night, and there's a USB charger, which is great. That's really handy, especially if you've only got 1 or 2 plug converters and you've got lots of things to charge. It's always a problem for me charging all the cameras as well as the phones and everything else. This is the air conditioning, I believe, and it's decorated pretty nicely. I like the Roman blinds by the window. Demonstration.
Oh no. Oh, my moment.
You ruined it. Is that kind of zebra print as well?
Yeah,
kind of. Lime zebra is the theme. This is a brand new hotel. It only opened last month. That's March 2018, so it still smells really new in here. When we booked it on Expedia, it was still just an artist's impression, so we were hoping it would open in time, but we're all good. So there's a big TV, a bit of a counter here. I guess this is a remote control for the air conditioning. Got a phone, a kettle, some more plug sockets, another mirror, and down here is a fridge to keep your drinks cool. And in here some cups. Down in the reception downstairs they had free tea, they had green tea, they also had apple tea and peach tea, which would be nice to try, and they were free. They said just help yourselves. And there's a hairdryer. We've got some nice lime green chairs. Phil's playing his Switch. Get you with your Dreamcast t-shirt, playing your Switch.
Yeah.
Games. The view out the window, we can see a nice view of this office block next to the hotel and see who's going to the toilet. So you can't really see much out there. Let's have a look at the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. It's actually pretty stylish. In a lot of other hotels we've stayed in, they've been sort of beige, tiny bathrooms. This is actually fairly spacious for a Japanese hotel room. The bath is a Japanese bath, which is a bit shorter than you'd be used to in the UK or the USA. There's the shower up there. What have we got? Shampoo, conditioner and body wash. Here's the free bathroom stuff. We've got hairbrushes, razors, toothbrushes and a body towel. Oh, and of course here's the fancy Japanese toilet buttons. These ones have English translations, but these ones are the mystery buttons. What do you think that one does? I've always been too scared to play with these. Maybe I should give them a go. When else are you going to get the chance? This is actually a little larger than average for a Japanese hotel room. A lot of them that we've stayed in have been like this, but they've cut off here where the end of the bed would be. And I think this is, I think it's a proper double bed, which they're not always. Sometimes they're a bit smaller than a normal double bed. We've stayed in a few that are a bit bigger, but a lot of them are smaller than this.
At first time we came here, we stayed in Shiodome?
Shiodome.
Yes.
Shiodome.
And yeah, we just turned up at the hotel and it was massive. We were like, why do people complain the home hotel rooms are small? This is really big. And we did look again, but the price was about 3 times as much. So we must have just got it on a special offer.
Definitely.
Pretty much every other hotel we've stayed in Tokyo or anywhere else is pretty small.
So that's our room. We're going to go out in a minute, so I'll show you the outside and what the street looks like outside. It's pretty close to Shinsaibashi subway station. It took us about 10 minutes to walk just now, although it seemed like longer than that because we were carrying the suitcases up a lot of stairs. It's important if you come to Japan, don't bring too much with you. It's a lot easier if you travel light and then don't have to carry too much stuff around. This is something fun. Our room's got a doorbell. I've never seen that in a hotel before. Here's what the corridor looks like, and this carpet is still feeling really plush and new. Oh, someone's coming. Here's the lifts. They've got doors on 2 sides. There's 13 floors. We're staying on floor 10. Here's the front of the hotel. The name's in katakana there. But the Hearton Hotel logo is on the sign, so you can tell what it is. It's a nice little front garden, and it's really tall. It's on quite a busy road. Well, I wasn't expecting that. It's got to be Back to the Future.
You've got to come back with me. Where?
Hello. He really was frying actual leaves there.
It is an actual maple leaf.
Yeah. Today we're in Osaka and we're exploring Denden Town. We didn't see the famous Glico sign. I can't believe we didn't see it.
Apparently it's right there.
Oh